Hello po, it's Teacher Joy at sa araw na to ay magra-rationalize tayo ng ating 5 items assignment in Civil Service Exam. So, kung handa na kayo, paki-like and subscribe ang ating YouTube channel and of course, paki-like ang video ito. So again, our enrollment is still ongoing para sa magte-take ng licensure examination for teachers this September and for civil service exam naman this August. So if you have some friends na magte-take po ng exams this year, please invite them sa ating affordable review sessions, and our final coaching is totally free sa mag-a-avail this July. So kindly message me on my Facebook account, Ma'am Joy, and ayan po yung ating profile picture. Alright, so let's go with 121 items. Okay, so English. Persevere is closest in meaning to blank. A. Quit. B. Continue. C. Forget. D. Ignore. The word for persevere, what does it imply? Is it negative or positive? Persevere, perseverance. So the word persevere is a positive word. So meaning, sa apat na options na ito, hahanap tayo ng positive din. Quit is negative. The word quit is something you will stop, di ba? Okay. Continue, it positive. Forget, it's negative. Out natin. Ignore is also negative. And the option that is defined positive is continue. Letter B. So this letter B is the correct answer. Persevere means to maintain a purpose and keep going despite difficulties, obstacles, or discouragement. So the term that's synonym or synonymous with the meaning is continue. Magkapareho yung kanilang meaning. Persevere, meaning iko-continue mo ang isang bagay kahit na mahirap, kahit na ang daming problem, kahit na ang daming discouragement. So, persevere to continue. Letter B ang ating tamang sagot dito, guys. Letter B. Let's move on. 122. Opulent is the opposite of blank. A. Wealthy. B. Poor. C. Luxurious. D. Bright. Opulent is hindi natin siya ginagamit sa everyday living, so it would be hard for us to understand this one. But opulent, guys, is what? Is positive. Therefore, ang hahanapin natin dito, opposite, meaning yung kabaliktaran na meaning niya. So, if opulent is positive word, then hahanap tayo ng negative. Wealthy. Ang wealthy ba ay positive or negative? Wealthy meaning you are rich. Of course, this is positive. Poor. Siyempre, negative. Mahirap ka lang eh. Luxurious. Same with wealthy. 'Di ba? You're rich. Marami kang pera. This is positive. Bright. Matalino or bright can be defined sa ilaw or maliwanag. Pwede din, no? It's also a positive word. So, dito, kapag ano yung naiiba? What is odd? Letter B, poor. So, poor is the opposite word of opulent. By the way, guys, opulent meaning ostentatiously rich, luxurious, or lavish. So, yung mga nabanggit natin dito na wealthy, luxurious, ito yung same na meaning ng opulent or definition ng opulent. And of course, the opposite, yung kabaliktaran na meaning niya is poor. Siyempre, kapag may mayaman, may mahirap. So, opulent is to poor. Letter B again ang ating tamang sagot. So let's move on. 123, and I would like to congratulate everyone sa nakakuha na ng 2 points. Okay, number 123. Devoid means, anong ibig sabihin ng devoid? A, full of, B, lacking, C, filled, D, rich. Devoid. Sometimes naririnig natin ito sa office, devoid, or sa mga papers. Devoid means what? Entirely lacking or free from something. May kulang. So, for example, if a situation is devoid of hope, it means there is no hope left. Devoid meaning lack, may kulang, or free from something. So, alin dito sa apat? May clue na kayo. Devoid again means lacking. So, letter B ang ating tamang sagot, lacking. Okay. Move on, 124. Integrity refers to what? Ayan na, integrity, naririnig natin yan in everyday living, sa mga news. So, refers to what? A, honesty, B, intelligence, C, courage, D, strength. The word integrity implies a positive meaning, and lahat dito positive, walang negative. So, dito ka mahihirapan kasi lahat positive. But the word integrity, sa professionalism and personal context, integrity is fundamentally defined as the quality of being honest and having strong moral principles. And kapag ikaw ay may integridad, meaning ikaw ay what? Honest or matapat na tao. And you have a strong moral principle. So, integrity, kaakibat niya ang word na honesty. Letter A ang ating tamang sagot dito. Letter A. Integrity meaning you're being honest. So, hindi siya matalino, ang integridad, hindi din siya courage, and hindi din siya strength. Integrity again is more on honesty. So, kapag isang employee ay may integridad, meaning siya ay matapat sa kanyang service tuloy. Sa kanyang serbisyo, ganon. So, letter A ang ating tamang sagot. Okay, now let's move on sa ating last but not the least. Question 125. Candid is similar to blank. So, this is kapag similar, no? Always bear in mind or always remember that the word similar is synonym. Hahanap ka ng magkapareho na meaning. Candid is similar to blank. A, secretive. B, frank. C, sweet. D, rude. The question candid is one of the actual question in licensure examination for teachers. And the word candid, it means being what? Being straightforward, honest, and direct in speech or expression. Sila yung mga tao na ayaw ng paligoy-ligoy or ayaw ng mga flowering words because candid is a frank person. Prangka sila magsalita. Masakit man pero prangka. So, ang ating tamang sagot dito, number 125 is letter B, frank. Letter B, frank. If you are a candid person, you are a frank person. Maprangka kang magsalita. You're not fond of using flowering words. You're not fond of using extra coated, extra sugar coated words, no? So, yun. Letter B once again ang ating tamang sagot. So, yun lamang. Tapos na po ang ating 5 rationalization. And thank you so much for listening and for watching. So, don't forget to subscribe. And of course, paki-like po ang video ito. And of course, don't forget to comment your score and you can comment din kung ano yung gusto nyong maging more questions natin sa ating assignments. So, paki-comment po. Thank you everyone and good night.